Hello, Paul here from EMD. Alright, now we're here today. Just want to show you a lot of stuff I found on this car here. The wiring was ripped off. What I've done is I've done my new circuit board here. That one there was done. But the car starts and just cuts out. Alright, so I had to reprogram the keys. Had to reprogram the keys to get the car start, but kept cutting out. So I found out a lot of some of the fuses were blown as well on this side here. Some fuses were blown on the other side. Some of the relays weren't working. Some of the wiring connector wasn't plugged in properly. I'm just telling you guys, it sounds easy because I'm telling you now, but for me to find all that was really hard, because this car, someone's worked on the car before, and when somebody worked on the car before, they actually, whatever they do, I won't know. Because if you say take the carpet off and disconnect the wire there and you put it back in, and then you told the car to me, I will never know if that's disconnected until I actually check everything one by one. I had to get the wiring diagram out. I had to get a lot of stuff out. I need a brand new battery. That's my battery there for testing. I gotta get this customer, I gotta get a new battery. Come here as well. Some of the fuses were here. Some of the plugs underneath there wasn't plugged in as well. Just various stuff. So because I got it started, but I had no communication with the computer in the car. So that's the one I put in. So now let's have a look. Now the remote works. Hear that? That's working. So now we're going to put the key in the ignition. Hear that? Ignition. Now you got the ignition on. Now I can start the car. Now the car's running. Yeah, if you have a Q7 or Audi or anything that's got a problem, VW, something like this, even all the other European cars, if you leave it alone and just tow it to me, it would be easier for me to find the problem rather than mucking around. So there's a few lights here that I will look at after. Service due. I gotta look at the car. Maybe I gotta ask the customer. So a particular filter came on, so something is blocked. Anyway, that's not really, that's irrelevant now, because the most important thing, the car started and the remotes are working. And just one more thing I've got to show you guys. Some of the relays here weren't working as well. Not sure if they pulled it out and then just, I took it off already and I put it back in. I've got to replace 3 relays in here and then 2 relays inside there. So I don't want to muck around just in case it fails and the customer gets stranded on the road. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.